Hi, I'm Jim Lord for Real Estate Explained by Real Pros, and what our website or our YouTube channel is about is teaching you everything you need to know about real estate. Whether you're a real estate investor, you're somebody that wants to buy real estate for the first time, or you're just a homeowner and you want to learn some tricks about real estate, maybe you're interested in getting in the real estate market. We're going to teach you a lot of tips and tricks that I know. I have about 15 years experience in real estate, 25 plus years experience in construction. I do a lot of flips. I do a lot of real estate transactions. I have a real estate team, and I'm just trying to get you to tune in and check out some of our awesome or not so awesome videos that we produce. Some of them are a little stupid, I understand, but hey, we do our best with what we have to work with. We're not professional producers, but we do our best to get you a lot of good information and none of the bullshit that everybody else has, trying to put in a storyline and all that crap. We just tell you what it is and we go forward. So come on, enjoy some of the videos with us. I've been told some of them are entertaining, and check out our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is super important. So, and like us on Facebook, like us on YouTube, and of course visit our website, www.jimlordregroup.com.